Welcome to 2021. New year, same car. I wanted to try a new GoPro angle. Got this hat clip on, so let's see if 2021 can bring us a better view of the inside of this car. Hopefully it does. First thing is your seatbelt, of course. Which is kind of awkward in this car because the top strap comes from the opposite shoulder. Alright. Flex capacitor is flexing. Is the brake on? It's very hard to see. Okay, we're good. Alright, hopefully this is crystal clear now. Not gonna lie, having this thing in my eye is it's a little bit weird. Not sure how people get used to that, but okay. Slow and steady. The T-Rex of vehicles with small upper body and a huge lower body. Okay. Definitely interesting. I'm looking around the GoPro, which is basically level with my nose. But I guess you can get used to it. Once again, the main goal of this video is simply to see if this can fix the camera pointing at the roof issue of 2020. But this would be hard to do for an extended period of time with this thing right in my eyes. Nice chilly day in Florida, probably 59 or so. Car likes it. 78 Celsius on the water temp. Done some servicing to the Diablo. We refreshed all the spark plug wires, new distributor cap, new rotor, new coils, new coil amplifiers. Has 2 coils, so that's been done. Changed the CV axle boot, which was torn on the passenger rear, and another new battery because I was a genius and left the kill switch on vacation. And I'm trying to think if we did anything else. We replaced some valve stems that were leaking, and it's got a windshield sprayer that works now. See that? Very nice. Had a cracked fluid bottle that we sourced a new one for 66 doll hairs from probably Taiwan or something. Can't remember exactly. But I think it comes off a 300ZX, maybe a Z32 if I'm not mistaken. The headlights do not. This is a pop-up car. So this has its own unique headlights. The flush mount cars in the late 90s and 2000s, the 6.0 Diablo, and I think the last gen of the VT had the flush mount, which looks good, but not the best, in my opinion. Sorry, I'm trying to see the gauges and I have to kind of turn my head. Next up, we're going to do the fuel filters. There's actually 4 pre-filters, and then the main filters, which, of course, the main filters are under the overflow for the coolant, so that's going to be a 1 or 2 day project. We did clean the injectors, so that was nice with some brake cleaner. Pulsed it through with 12 volt. Little bridge run here. bit of just kind of choking out in the high RPMs. I've got new plugs, so I'm assuming it's probably the fuel filters because it sat for about 90 days when I got a new water pump. When we cleaned the injectors, certainly helped it. So we will attempt to rectify that situation. No check engine lights or anything, so probably just something little like that. Anyways, it was a short and sweet video for the first time of a YouTube video for me for 2021. Not sure how often I'm going to upload. I was doing it a lot more last year, but my real estate career is pretty busy right now, so I don't have as much free time as I did during kind of the beginning of the world issues back in March. Hope you enjoyed this little tidbit, and I'll try and make another one in the next couple weeks. All right, thanks guys, bye-bye.